In this video, we showed how to replace riser 4 in a PowerEdge R7725. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove riser 4 with the cover and risers 3 and 5 removed from the system, disconnect the cable from the HPM and then lift the riser to remove it. To install riser 4, align and lower into the system, put it on the post and press down, and then reconnect the data cable to the HPM. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R7725, visit dell.com/support.